Hello friends, I'm solving one of the exercise problem from fluid mechanics and the concept is Buckingham Pi theorem. So this problem is on pressure drop in pipe flow. So this is the condition or question they have given. So first we'll start with the steps. So these are the steps involved in this by theorem. We have to solve this problem by this using these steps one by one conditions. So initially what we have to do is we have to note down the parameters involved. Okay, so flow in a circular pipe, that is the pressure drop, that is equal to functions of the pressure drop is based on the functions of density, velocity, diameter of the pipe, length, fluid viscosity and average height. So these are the parameters and these are the dimensions of each parameter. Okay, so number of parameters involved are 7 or variables are 7. Okay, out of that 3 are repeated variables or repeated parameters. So this repeated parameter means these are the parameters or set of variables which by themselves they cannot form a dimensionless group. Okay, so that is why they are involved with some other term as well or some other variable. So we will consider always in Buckingham Pi theorem 3 variable as a repeated variable, they are which cannot form the dimensionless group. So there are 3 variables which cannot form dimensionless group and total variables are 7. So 7 minus 3 is 4, that is 4 dimensionless group will be result in. So next, so fundamental units mass, length and time, these are the fundamentals. So pressure, density, velocity, diameter, length, viscosity and height. For this mass, length, time, depending on their or this is dimension, depending on their dimensions I have written them in terms of fundamental dimension. Okay, so I'll be giving this fundamental dimensions of all other parameters in my description, so please have a look at it for to solve next problem or other problem. So initially we start with pi 1 is equal to density to the power a, velocity b, diameter to the power c. These are the 3 repeated variable which I am considering for this problem. Okay, so see, three repeated variables, that is density I have considered, velocity I have considered and diameter I have considered as a repeated variable. See here as well for second step as well, third and fourth as well. So we'll start. See, I have taken a, b, c here and in this problem d, e, f and g, h, I and next j, k, l, because to avoid the confusion, because here we'll be solving all the terms. So if I repeat this one, you may or in hurry or in some confusion you may use the same variable and you may end up with the wrong result. So I have changed these terms in every step. So this is the first step. Pi 1 is equal to density this so in terms of mass, length and time, this is 0 for pi, it is 0, m0, l0, t0 and here is equal to for density mass power 1 l minus 3 t 0. Okay, this is derived from its dimension. Same for velocity, diameter and pressure. Okay, so here fundamental or the repeated variable are having a, b, c, these powers are given because we have to make it as a dimensionless group. So this parameter will not be having any power, this one extra parameters. So m is equal to 0, this power 0 is equal to 1. Here it is 1, that is 1 into a is a. You will consider only m term now. Here m. 0 is equal to a plus, here m is 0, this is b, so 0, this is symbol is here plus, if it is minus I will tell you why, 0. So here m is, this power is 1. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1. So let's add a, 0, okay, a is equal to minus 1. Next l, here l is 0. See here we have to write along with the sign, which sign is with the digit, that sign we have to write note here along with the digit. So minus 3a plus, here l is 1, 1 into b is b, so sign is positive, so plus b, plus here as well positive 1 plus 1, c minus, here see l is minus 1, so symbol is minus, here the sign is minus, 1 into 1 is 1. So solve it. So here a anyhow we have got here, so a is minus 1, so 3 into 1 is 3, minus is minus, plus. So you will get, you don't have the value of b and c here, so how we will get it? Let's solve t. 0 is equal to, here t is 0, here t is minus 1, minus 1 into b is minus b, here t is 0, here minus 2 it is, minus 2 into 1 it is minus 2, so minus b minus 2, so b will be minus 2. So we will substitute this b value here. Okay, so when you substitute here you will get c value, so this is c, a b c value. Next what you have to do is, you have to put this a b c value in this one, this equation of relation. So pi 1 is equal to rho a, how much a is minus 1, so rho to the power minus 1 into v to the power b is minus 2, and c for d to the power c is 0 into delta p, it's 1 only. So pi 1 is equal to delta p, so this lies on the upper side and divided by, y divided by, this is minus 1, minus 1 means 1 by rho into 1 by v. Similarly after this, next pi 2, same. So these are the rho, v, d are repeated variables. I have changed this terms d, e, f. Earlier it was a, b, c, but now I have turned it to d, e, f in order to avoid any confusions. So next term is mu. This is next one term is delta p, second term we are using here, these are the repeated, and this is new term mu. So similarly you have to write all these things like this, you have to note down all these things, and you have to solve the problem like this, and you'll get this one. Okay, similarly for pi 3, so l is the new term here, these are the repeated, and next is this one, fourth one, pi 4 equal to rho v d, here j k l e. This, substitute here this value here, j l k l, so you will get pi 4 is equal to e by d. Okay, so next at the end what you have to do is, functional relationship is, that is the functional relationship, the pi 1 here, the delta p, that is pressure, change in pressure. Okay, here see, pressure drop or change in pressure in pipe flow, that is what we wanted to calculate. So that is delta p is equal to, delta p is equal to functions of rho, v, d, l, m, mu, e. So we have solved all these things. So then pi 1 is equal to function of pi 2, pi 3, pi 4. So pi 1, what is that? Pi 1 is here, pi 1 is delta p by rho v square. Yeah, so next pi 2 is mu by rho vd, and next pi 3 is L by d, and next is pi 4, that's E by d. So this is what is the solution.